Hey guys, Basil and Will from Grayson Hobby, and today it's Saturday. We're at the shop in between customers, and
well, a question came up. People are asking about the different batteries, if anything's faster or slower because of the battery, and what effects the battery size has on the ET115. Somebody was buying one earlier. They were like, well, which battery should I get? So we're like, you know what, let's try it, figure out which one works best.
So what we did today, we took the stock battery, the 600 milliamp 3S. We took the GMB 550. We took the GMB, what is 650. That? The 650, and the Longbow 450.
Now you guys have already seen us fly on the stock battery, so the biggest thing is we're going to try is the 650, 550, and the 450 of the aftermarket batteries and see what does good.
So they're all relatively the same price. They're all relatively the same weight, right, for the most part?
Very close in weight. Price, they vary a little bit.
Right.
But the biggest thing is the capacity, whether you want a lighter pack, keep the quad light, or if you want a heavier pack. Realistically, which one's faster? If speed has a factor on if the batteries are sagging under load, or if they're holding up, or if battery size doesn't really matter on this particular quad because of the motors. Right.
Now, one thing to mention is the LDRC stock battery. For this one, does not say GNB.
I'm pretty sure it's made by GNB.
I'm pretty sure it's made by GNB as well. The 550s from the 125 definitely has a little GNB stamped on it. And so we may be just testing the same company in 3 different sizes, and then, whoops, and then the oddball, the Longbow 450. Yep. So all of them have the XT30s, as you see here. Totally stock quad, right?
Yeah, I mean, other than the color kit, the color of the props have been changed, and the body's been changed to a different color. But these are stock pitch props, so we're not putting aftermarket props. I'm not using the Emax props or anything like that, which might actually help a little bit.
Right. So this test is just to test everything on an even playing field. These are brand new battery packs. We literally took them out of the shelf. And we gave them a charge. We know there's a whole science in how many cycles they need to take to break in.
Yeah, after a couple cycles, they might actually wake up a little more too. Some people say, some people don't have. Some lipos do it, some people lipos don't. So, but these I have noticed after a couple cycles, they seem to peak a little bit.
Right. So these are all brand new. So everything is, if it's wrong, at least it's consistently wrong. At least that's my theory. So
something to do on in between customers.
Right. So comment below before we start. Hit pause and comment below what you think will be the fastest pack. Yeah. Now, I know they asked flying time. Are you going to get a lot more flying time on the 650 because it is more milliamps? Because
the weight's so close to each other, realistically, yeah, if you're just cruising around, you're going to get more flight time on the more capacity.
Right.
It's a bigger fuel tank. However, if you're punching it around, doing more aerobatics and all that, the heavier weight, it might not buy you any more time because you're having to give more throttle to do the same tricks.
Right, and that's the weight to power ratio.
Power to weight ratio.
Right, yep. So you have holding more power. So you're taking more in the throttle to get that heavier pack up in there. All right, so here's a flying test. All right, if you're new to this channel, Grayson Hobby is a shop that sells airplanes and drones and cars right outside of Atlanta, Georgia. And this channel is dedicated to reviews of new products and tips and tricks. Everything you see in our showroom is on our website and vice versa. Everything ships from Atlanta, Georgia, USA. How I have this set up here. So I have my phone is gonna record the radar gun right here continuously. It's picking up 38 miles an hour. I'm gonna guess it's those cars. So that, I just realized, Will, it's picking those cars up.
Okay.
So right now it shouldn't say anything, so we're gonna hit record here. So that's the way I can get out of the way and be safe. So I don't have to worry about it.
Are you ready?
I am ready for it. First pack is... What's the first pack?
The Longbow.
I guess I should check it out here. These cars again. And 47. So 2 passes in a row, pretty consistent. What pack is this for, Will?
This is the 650.
650. We'll figure that one out later when we see it. I'm not going to get in front of these guys. $50.
was the input pack.
Yep. That was a 650. We look like we hit 50 miles an hour. We'll have to go back and review the footage. How are the motors?
They're fine.
They're regular type. And again, this is a brand new pack. This has never been used before, right? We literally
it's first cycle on it.
Took it out of the box, put it on the charger, and the intent was to do that on all 3 packs so we can have a even playing field. Because we have some packs here we use all the time. We don't know how many cycles it has on it. So, not the best way, but at least is the fair way.
Yep.
All right, next pack will be the 550 from GNB. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, you're getting the 550 all set up.
Yep.
So just to let you know, this is the 650, and it's actually pretty warm, Will.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not, it just feels like it's been used. It's definitely not hot, but it has a little temperature to it. All right, so now we get the 550.
Yep.
And this may look easy, but I tried it, and I kept hitting all these branches without leaves. It's very...
Well, that, and in order to get enough tilt on it, you're looking at the ground. So
yeah.
It's kind of flying blind with these speed tests.
Yeah. So, our 550 should be faster. It's lighter. 52! So it is light.
It's pretty much full up the end.
That was 52, so right off the bat, you're already 3-4 miles an hour faster. I don't know. He recorded it, but we'll have to go back and review the footage there. I'm kind of out of the way here. 53, 53.
It feels a little better with the smaller pack.
So this is the 550. It's a little bit lighter.
It feels like the stock pack.
The stock pack, if everyone remembers, is the 600 milliamp.
Yeah, it actually rolls a little bit.
And there's a car in our parking lot. All right, you usually get about 2 or 3 passes on these guys, maybe 3 or 4. All right, redo of the 450 longbow, right?
Yeah, I broke a part.
We broke kind of out of the way. Incident, they call them. Little hello incident.
Got a branch from the road. All right, so ready?
Waiting on you, yes sir. This is the longbow 450. Oh, it definitely sounds a lower. Definitely sounds a lower pitch. And I think these cars are picking up on the radar. 49. Interesting. The pitch is way lower than the other ones.
Both is just sagging more though, because it's a smaller battery.
Okay. 49 miles an hour. So they're all really the same. That's a good pass. Check it out. I don't know. I'm not going to be in the line of fire here. And here comes the sun. 48, 48. All 3 packs you just flew, they're pretty fresh. What's your take on them?
The 550.
The 550.
The 550 600 stock still seems to be the best.
Yeah. Okay. So before we start, it's February 2nd.
Yep.
It's an awesome day outside. So you guys up north who has negative 60, I feel for you.
Sorry.
My long sleeve shirt is being, the sleeves are being pulled up. So the one thing I want to clarify, we did not fly the stock pack today. We flew that last time, so no sense of re-flying the same thing. We just flew the 550, 650, and 450. So what do you think?
650 flew heavy.
Yeah.
If you're just gonna putz around and all that, just go for flight time, go with the 650. If you want best overall performance, the 550.
The 550. So in our opinion, other than stock, right?
Yeah, the 450 was light. If you're gonna be easy on the throttle, maybe try to fly it somewhat, not indoors like in a warehouse or something like that, to where you're not really full throttle everywhere. The 450 keeps it nice and light. It did feel a little bit more responsive in the rolls and all that.
Right. So one thing I don't think I mentioned last time, the stock battery is a 50C. whereas these GMBs are ADC. So in theory, they are better batteries.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all right. How was the 450?
It was all right, but you definitely heard it sagging.
Yeah, we definitely.
I think the 450 with these props, the size quad and all that, it's on its limit. I think it's more catered to a true 2-inch quad or less.
Gotcha. So there you guys have it. There are the results. If you like this speed test, that's definitely unscientific. We're out there with a baseball radar gun in the parking lot, picking up the cars, and
people have asked, so we did it. That's why.
So, yeah, there it is. Give us a comment below what you think, and talk to you later.
Catch you next time.